Hey, Dad, are you fighting in family court to get more time with your kids, but you're not sure what to do? Here's 3 mistakes dads make that is guaranteed to cost them everything that they want. You're never going to win if you do these things. 1, get angry. Showing up in family court and demonstrating to the court that you're angry with the other side, yelling, screaming, stomping your face, big bad mistake. Because what you're doing is you're showing to the judge that you do have an anger problem. That's not to say don't be assertive. Assertive is good. Assertive is necessary. Angry, very, very bad. Anger will cause you to lose almost immediately. If you yell at the other side, if you yell at their lawyer, if you yell at the judge, if you demonstrate anger, you're probably going to lose right off the bat as soon as you do that. Huge mistake. Second big mistake, not giving the judge enough information. Many dads go into family court thinking, well, the judge is going to do the right thing. Mom's going to ask what she's asking for, and I'm going to go in and ask for my 50% custody because that's what I'm entitled to, and I'm going to tell the judge, I love my kids and I'm a great dad. And you've just lost. And you're wondering, why did I lose? This doesn't make any sense. I told the judge I'm a great dad. She'll tell the judge I'm a great dad. Well, she's not going to tell the judge you're a great dad because you're in court. If she was going to think you're a great dad, you wouldn't have to go to court. If you're just walking into court and you're saying, I'm a great dad and I love my kids, what you've done is tell the judge nothing. You have to give the judge more than I'm a great dad and I love my kids, because every human being who has ever walked into family court has said, I'm a great parent, I love my kids. That's a baseline. You have to go in and tell the judge why you're a great dad. You have to show the judge how you're a great dad. Give them proof. Give them evidence. I know you don't like that answer, but that's the truth. You have to be able to walk into court and be like, Your Honor, here's my calendar of all the times I've spent with my kids. Here's a video of what we're doing. Here's all the photos of what I've done with my children. Here's what I know about my kids in my declaration. You need to give the judge way more information than you think you do, because I'm telling you, I've asked judges what's the number one mistake dads make going into family court, and they all say the same thing. They got to give us more information. They don't let us know what's really going on. We never hear from them. We only hear from mom, and then they wonder why we rule against them. You have to give the judge way more information. Back it up with some receipts. Back it up with some pictures, some email, some text messages, videos. Bring in witnesses if you need to. But you've got to be able to give the judge more information than just, I'm a great dad and I love my kids, because that's not going to cut. Lastly, you need to be prepared. You need to be prepared when you walk into court. You need to have all of your documents ready to go. You need to have a list of witnesses and what you're going to be asking them. You need to have your questions of what you're going to be asking mom on cross-examination. You need to have an argument to the judge as to why you're a great dad, why you should get the 50-50 custody you want. You need to have all that laid out so that when you walk into court, you're ready to go. Because you don't want to be walking into court and telling the judge, well, I have it at home. No, sorry, sir. Today's the day. You need to be ready today. When you walk into court, you need to have everything buttoned up, ready to go in a binder, tabbed, indexed, ready to flip through it to show to the judge, here's my proof that I'm a great dad. Here's my proof that I'm a showing up dad. Here's what I'm talking about in terms of my commute from work to go to the kids' school, to where I live, to where mom lives. All of that stuff we teach you in Dad's Law School. So if you want to learn how to gather the evidence and how to use the evidence so that you're ready and prepared to go into family court, you should go check out dadslawschool.com. I hope that helps, and that those 3 things are really helpful to you in getting ready so that when you go into court, you're prepared and you can tell the judge more than I'm a great dad, and you can walk out with every other week. Hope that helps. Have a great day. And remember, I think you're freaking awesome.